I study in the USA, and there are some understanding education system in the USA. So here's the introduction to exploring the opportunity and academic excellence in the United States. Why United States is famous for the education, like a diverse education landscape, focus of excellence, attractive studies, for destination, global recognition. So if we are talking about the first point, diverse education landscape, the education landscape of visa to be well versed in the role of culture and the learning to address the needs to student from the diverse background. Second one is the focus of excellence. So focus of excellence will provide you with the an array of the high engagement based program system and the focus of ray. Attractive attractive studies destination is likely highly why US is favored for choice and students seeking qualities, education and diverse array. As we know, USA is a hub of technical and management program. There is a very well locations like New York, Chicago, California, Boston and all. The fourth one is a global recognition. As we know, global USA's education is a system offers global recognized and career prospect drawing students as worldwide. Here is the benefits of studying in the USA, exploring opportunity for academic growth and career. There are 4 points which we can work. High quality education that we know. USA is, in the USA offers top tier education institute known for their high academic standards and excellence. Culture diversity, global career prospect, enhanced career opportunity in the degree from US institution, opening the doors of global and the marketing. Research option, access cutting edge research facility and opportunity to work in the innovation project with the leading works. There is the education level of system which US is providing the primary education, secondary education, higher education, public universities, private universities and community college. And a student below ninth, 8th, they can go with the primary education. In the secondary education, the student can work in the ninth and 10th. Higher education is around 11th and 12th. Apart from after that, students are going for the undergrad degree, master degree. They can join the community college. They can do the diploma and pathway programs also in the United States. Here's the flexibility of education. Student can go for the transfer as in the last previous slides we have already cleared. A student can do the transfer applications as well. Any student who want to go like the Harvard, Stanford, they can join some of the universities and they can transfer in those institutes.
When did you receive the inquiry?
Here is a type of application process. Like we required standardized test, application requirement, importance of the extracurriculum activities. As we know, any student who is looking for undergrad, they need good scholarship, financial aids, and also yes, universities are required these kind of program like SAT, GRE, and GMAT. SAT and SAT is required for undergrad student. GRE and GMAT are required for postgraduate students. Although these courses are waived in some of the universities, but if student is looking for a good scholarship, they have to write these exams. Next is application requirement. And the applications, we required all the academic documents, SOP, letter of recommendations, and student is having work experience or like extracurriculum activities, they can share those documents as well. These are the top institutes, universities in the USA, like Harvard University, MIT, Stanford, University of California, Berkeley, Princeton universities. And these are some exclusive university which Study Metro is promoting. And we do have the applications fee waiver as well in those universities. Like in Clark, we do have application fee waiver. In Arizona State University, we do have application fee waiver. Clarkson University, and these universities are having all those programs. If student is looking for undergrad in any stream, postgrad in any stream, they can definitely check these university for those programs. There are some other universities like NJIT, CSU Long Beach, Michigan Flint, Rochester Institute, California East Bay, University of Cincinnati. Here's the life of campus. If we are talking about life in the campus, so in the academic advising, student can live in the undergrad student can live in the on campus. Extracurriculum activities, universities are having clubs, sports teams, arts programs, or the personal growth for on the interest. Apart from this, there is a on campus housing. There is a dining option as well, where access the diverse dining facilities offering nutritious meals and social space and for the student connect. These are the financial aspects. As we know, after the offer letter, student have to work on the I-20. So if you are talking about the tuition fee will start by $10,000 to $55,000. It depends on university to university and program to program. We are talking about living expense, so living expense will be going around $10,000 to $25,000. Scholarship is providing on these UG students. If we are talking about PG students, it's depends on the profile, around $5,000 to $10,000. Student can do part-time job, as we know already. Apart from this, there are some other points as well, like United States are accepting gap. There is no need to, no problem in the gap, no age limit. We are 3-year education we are accepting. There is no problem in backlogs. Any student who is having a good profile, who is having a bright profile, they can definitely apply in the US. There are so many programs they can apply, like we do have computer science, information technology, engineering, computer science, business analytics, data science, finance, economics, HR, and so on. Student can definitely apply for those programs. So yes, that's all from my side. If you have any question, do let me know.
Thank you. I think all our counselors have covered almost all the points and given a detailed introduction